Ընկերներ, շարունակենք 8-րդ դասային դասագրքի դասի տեղադրումը էջ 118-ից այստեղ listening ունենք առաջինը what is your favorite Armenian advert ես պատասխանեմ այն ձևով my favorite Armenian advert is skincare product advert how can you describe it It shows beautiful scenery of Armenia, mountains and old churches with traditional Armenian music. Listen to the dialogue and choose a title for it. Այստեղ տարբերակը 3-ն է. An Armenian skincare advert with foreign folk music. Երկրորդը էս. ներողություն beauty-ն. Լավ չի, այստեղ չէ, ընտրում ենք երրորդ տարբերակը skincare advert with the beauty of the country. Երկրինն ենք. Երկրի գեղեցկությանը. Answer the question. What is the new Armenian advert on TV about? It is about a skincare product. Երկրորդը what kind of scenery is shown in the advert? Beautiful scenery of Armenia, such as mountains, rivers, and old churches. Yerorte, what type of music accompanies the ad? Traditional Armenian music accompanies the advert. What slogan appears with the logo at the end of the advert? Beauty inspired by the beauty of our country. How does John react after hearing about the advert from Sofia? He says he would like to see the advert. True or false? The Armenian advert is for a food product. False. The ad features beautiful scenery of Armenia. True. The advert uses jazz music in the background. False. The logo doesn't appear at the end of the advert. False. The slogan of the advert is beauty inspired by the beauty of our country. True. John has already seen that advert on TV. False. Ուրեմն առաջինը false, երկրորդը true, երրորդը false, չորրորդը false, հինգը true, վեցը false. Choose the right option. What is the new advert on TV about? Mեկը A, skincare product. What type of scenery is shown in the end? In the ad, ներողություն. Երկրորդը fields of flowers and old stone churches. Երրորդը what kind of music is playing in the background of the advert? Երրորդը scene, traditional music. Չորրորդը who used the product in the advert? Dean, young people. What appears at the end of the advert? Scene, the logo with a slogan. Ուրեմն առաջինը A, երկրորդը B, երրորդը C, չորրորդը D, հինգը C. Match the halves of the sentences. The media they used is Aina, so eye-catching. Երկրորդը the whole ad is filmed with Dina, beautiful scenery of Armenia. Երրորդը they also have attention in grabbing shots. Չորրորդը at the end of the logo appears with the slogan bean. Եվ հինգը I'll definitely keep an eye out for it. Ուրեմն մեկը A, երկուսը D, երեքը E, չորսը B, հինգը C. Շարունակենք writing-ի հատվածն էլ 120 և 121 էջերը միասին։ Esther, do you answer the questions? Do you know any advert on a video game? Yes, I know an advert about a video game. What can you learn from that game? I can learn new strategies, teamwork, and problem solving from that game. Սա իմ օրինակը, դուք կարող եք ձեր վերցնել։ Այստեղ ունենք read the passage paying attention to the reporting verbs. Some friends were talking about the latest adverts, որոշ ընկերներ խոսում էին ամենավերջին գովազդների մասին. Suddenly, Tom told that he had seen an advert for a new video game the day before. Հանկարծ Թոմը ասաց, որ ինքը տեսել էր գովազդ վիդեոյի մասին մի օր առաջ, 3 առաջ օրը կամ Then Aram added that it was a very good game with mind-blowing graphics and endless quests. Ուրեմն հետո Արամը ավելացրեց, որ ինքը որ դա շատ լավ խաղ էր միտքը զարգացնելու գրաֆիկը եւ անվերջ հարցերի. Natalie replied that she had heard about it. Նատալի պատասխանեց, որ ինքը լսել էր դրա մասին. Kate mentioned that her friend also liked that game. Kate-ը նշեց, որ իր ընկերը նույնպես տեսել էր այդ խաղը. Marina told her friends that she would check it out online and see if it was as cool as they said. Marina-ն ասաց իր ընկերներին, որ նա կստուգեր տեսնելու արդյոք check it out online, ստուգելեր տեսնելու արդյոք կային որ ինքը կստուգեր online եւ կտեսներ արդյոք կար as they could as they said այնքան լավ որքան նրանք էին ուզում կամ ինչքան որ նրանք էին ասում դա այդքան լավն է ինչքան որ նրանք էին ասում Match the people from the text with direct speech from 1 to 5 I saw an adverb այստեղ I saw an adverb for a new game yesterday she said Tom, այստեղ Tom առաջինը. It is a very good game, said Aram. I have heard about it, said Natalie. My friend also liked this game, said Kate. I'll check it out online and see if it is as cool as you say, said Marina. Ուրեմն առաջինը ասում է said Tom, երկրորդը Aram, երրորդը Natalie, չորրորդը Kate, հինգը Marina. Underline the participation in the passage that matches the direct speech in exercise 2. Հիմա այստեղ նախադասեն պետք է սարքենք report speech բանը, ասում է որոնք են underline, որոնք են ուղղակի խոսք. Tom told that he had seen an advert for a new video game the day before. Aram added that it was a very good game. Natalie replied that she had heard about it. Kate mentioned that her friend also liked that game. Marina told her friends that she would check it out online and see if it was as cool as they said. Complete the chart below. Այստեղ պետք է լրացնենք present ուղղակին ինչ ժամանակաձև ինչ ժամանակից է փոխվում. Present simple past simple, present continuous past continuous, present perfect past perfect, past simple past perfect, future simple would, Emizara was were, yesterday, the day before. Today, tonight, that day, come that night, now and then, tomorrow, the next day, the following day, here and there, this, that, those. Exercise 5, choose the correct reporting verb below. The journalist told me, այստեղ told me-ն ենք նշում, the major will announce his decision tomorrow. Երկրորդը, she offered us, you can read the news about the election on media. Երրորդը, edit, Alice edit, I also know how to post the photos. Չորրորդը, he asked Mary, I can help you to share the articles. Հինգորդը, John mentioned, my article will help others to use media effectively. Rewrite the sentences in exercise 5 as a reported speech. The journalist told me that the mayor would announce his decision the following day. She offered us that we could read the news about the election on Medium. Alice added that she also knew how to post the photos. He asked Mary if he could help her to share the article. John mentioned that his article would help others to use media effectively. Եվ այստեղ underline the mistakes-ն է։ Martha said that she watched videos online to learn English from the media. Երկրորդը, Gayane said that adverts on social media could be annoying sometimes. Երրորդը, Վարդուհի said that she was going to use the app that night. Չորրորդը, Corina said that she had read an article about improving English skills the day before. Եվ հինգերորդը, Marina said that she would watch that funny video the next day. Այսքանը